Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool product right here that's by a brand called Humixx. If you guys can see right there are two of them right here. One of them is up for the iPhone XS Max, and one of them is for iPhone XS and the iPhone X. So first thing first, I'll actually do unboxing and then show you guys what comes inside the package first. So when you open up the package, this is literally all you get inside. There's no instruction, thank you card or anything, just the case itself. So right at the back, you can feel like the quality of the product is actually really nice. The back is like see-through, so if you guys want to put like your ID, whatever the case may be, it's very nice and handy to have, because that way if you guys go to a club or a bar, all you do is just show your phone with the ID in the back, and then they can see the ID and everything, so you guys don't have to take it out. But some places will still ask you to take out your ID to see the actual ID and scan the little, I guess the beer or whatever you want to see inside. But this is actually really handy because of that. So the only way to find out how it works and how it looks like is by putting it onto an iPhone XS Max. So let's go do that first. Alright, so here we have the iPhone XS Max. We're going to apply it onto the actual case now. So it's very easy to put on. All you do is clip it on each side, and then you're pretty much done. And then here's what the case actually looks like. You guys can still see the Apple logo and everything because it's see-through, which is really nice. You guys won't be able to actually see the color of the screen or the back of the actual glass itself, but then you guys can see the Apple logo and whatnot. So the camera itself is actually not covered at all. You guys can see it's just right above it, so that way it won't actually block the camera, and the flashes will still be working really well. So the control right here to turn on and off the power right here is really nice, or if you want to call it the sliding mode. Volume up, volume down functionality is on here. On the bottom, you guys can see it has a really nice opening that you guys can still charge it and listen to your music out of the speakers itself. There's no headphone jack, so they don't need a headphone jack slot right here. And on this side, you guys can see it has a slot for the power on and power off, or the sleep mode, whatever you want to call it as well. And then here we have the actual screen itself. This is what it looks like. It actually covers the surface of it really nice, just enough though that it's like a little bump, but it's not very thick or anything. So that way if you drop it, it'll probably land on the corners or the side of the actual product first before landing on the actual phone itself. It's like a little bit slippery material on the side, and the back is like a little grippy material. So now that we talked about the product and kind of did like a little unboxing, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it though. So for this product, it actually costs $13.99, which is around $14. And I believe right now they have like a sale or something that's like 5-10% off. I'm not sure if you guys will still see by the time you guys are seeing this video or not, but the buttons, everything feels really nice, and all of them works really well. This part is a little bit thick, so it's a little bit hard to control it if you guys don't have like a nail or something, but you guys can still use it without nails. Pretty much, long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it though, I have to say that for the price range, I have to say that's pretty worth it, because this is actually $13.99 if you guys think about it. And all the other cases I tested, like the Taurus case and the Probian case, those are actually a little bit higher end quality, based on the fact that on the actual case itself, it has a very nice cushion or protection on here to actually protect the phone on the glass from breaking or screen scratch or whatever. So that's very nice on the Taurus one, but this one doesn't really have that. So it doesn't have a nice protection as the other ones, but it actually feels really nice. So pretty much, long story short, to answer the question whether or not it's actually worth it, so I have to say yes, this product is actually worth it. It's especially the fact that I mentioned earlier how they have a functionality right here where you guys can put your ID on here and they can actually see through it. So that's really nice and handy. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have